Well, thanks for joining me today. My name is Eric Brenner. I am President and CEO of Hilltop Wealth and Tax Solutions. And what we're going to talk about today is we're going to talk about a real unique investment management process. You know, no one knows the future in the markets. No one can guess the future. But there are things that we can utilize and data that we can utilize to help make investment decisions. So oftentimes retirement income is hugely affected, right, when we get volatile markets. When do you get in? When do you get out, right? People often in retirement make a mistake by going more conservative in their portfolios. And they really shouldn't do that. But I understand why they do, because they're retired, they're taking income, and they see their accounts go up and down, okay? Do you ever hear this? Just hold on and ride it out. Many financial firms do that. Stay the course, okay? Well, we believe that that has changed. You know, we've seen blows to the market over the last many years, 08, 09, right? The market, when the tech bubble, these things that happen, okay? And you need to have a process to help adjust that. The other thing is, a lot of investors tend to make their investment decisions based on emotion, their neighbor, their friend, or just a hunch. Please don't make investment decisions that are critical to your overall financial plan and your retirement based on feelings. That is one of the big things that can really affect your overall retirement, especially your portfolio, is making decisions based on emotion, okay? Can anyone guess the market, the next year, the next quarter, the next 3-5 years? Of course not. But our goal here at Hilltop is to limit your losses during market pullbacks so that when the markets rally, you've got more money invested to capture the upside. Let's talk about the big guys on the street. What I'm talking about is what we call institutional investors. These are pension funds, insurance funds, right? Endowments. How do they make investment decisions? You know, a lot of these funds are $5 billion, $10 billion. They're really large. And do you think that they take a $5 or $10 billion fund and just go on a hunch? There's no way they do that. Their core strategy is based on a strategy that is data driven. Now they may carve off something and they go out and find opportunity, okay? But their core strategy is based on this institutional wealth management approach. So our investment process is based on data, okay? And we are relentless to our statistical process that's unemotional and unbiased, and it's really incredibly powerful. And we bring this to our clients' portfolio, okay? With the same process that those billions of dollar funds, those large funds utilize. So how do we do it? Well, we have a partnership with Helios Quantitative Research, okay? This allows us an in-house process where we utilize Helios as a partner, and then our investment committee takes quantitative asset management principles, okay, and underlying data. It looks at thousands of data points. And when we get into volatile markets, it's really important to follow the data. What does the data tell us, okay? It creates mathematic diversity. Mathematic diversity mitigates the impact of markets and economic crisis and maximizes really confidence in achieving goals. So it's a rules-based approach, okay? We communicate changes to our clients often. So I would ask you, if you're not a client of Hilltop, how often is your current firm or advisor communicating what they're doing and why they're doing it, okay? Hilltop models, well, we have a series of investment models that are gonna overweight equity, okay, to pursue excess return. They're also going to underweight equity when the data says so. So capturing that actual market upside when it's time to be invested, and then also the other side, you know, dial it down when it's time to dial it down. It's really important. You know, I say to folks all the time, look, it's how much you make. That's important, but it's almost as important, or really more important, how much you don't lose. That really equals long-term compound return. So you may ask yourself, do you pay more for this process? You pay no more. We have this partnership, we have a process in place and a team in place where we don't charge more. We are a fiduciary firm, which means that we don't charge commissions. We base our fees based on what you have and what we manage. And we're on the same side of the table as you. So your assets go up, we make more, they go down, we are affected. You will know how much you pay. There are no hidden agendas, okay? Really, the retirement portfolio or overall portfolio should focus on those long-term compound returns. So, who are we? Hilltop Wealth and Tax Solutions. We are a firm that is a fiduciary. We're independent, okay? We're specialists at forward-looking tax planning, okay? Social Security, Medicare planning. This investment portfolio risk, which really we bring the uniqueness that our clients are getting really what the big guys are using. What they're using in their investment decisions that they have used for years, we utilize in our portfolios. So if you want to learn more about us, you can go to our website at hilltopwealthtax.com. We have guides on there. Also on the website, it explains this process in more detail as well as it has this video. You will also be able to schedule a 30-minute free phone call, find out more about us. We find out more about you, and we really don't know if we can help you, but we would determine that whether or not we would be a fit. So I would encourage you to visit the website and schedule a 30-minute introductory call and find out more about our process. I want to thank you for watching this video today. We hope to see you and talk with you soon. And until then, remember, it's up to you to make good financial decisions.